Hi guys, good afternoon. Right now it's about 1:30 p.m. and today it's 20th of February 2018. So how are you guys? What are you doing? What are you trade? So I am really so very concerned about how you guys are trading, right? And I'm 100% sure. I mean, I get so many emails, I get so many, messages that people are learning from what I'm speaking and what I'm doing here. And I'm just hoping, to contribute in the best possible way of your learning, right? And please keep sending your questions, keep sending your, and learn. I mean, I don't think so. I mean, if you don't feel convinced about joining my webinar, please don't do that. But only thing that you have to promise yourself, learn from the market. There is a huge resource. When I started trading in market, I didn't have any option but to learn from the books or from the TV. But TV is one place which I feel is just a junk place where nothing of except the information. Don't take anything. No suggestions should be taken from the TV. You have to trade on your own abilities, right? That is what I want you to really really determine. If you want to make money, you have to learn and then understand with your own mind and then enter into the market. So, and as I've been repeatedly telling you, if you just have one single entity, if you just master one single entity, like I feel I'm the only one. Of course, when I started, I was the only one who was trading in Nifty, you know, and who analyzed Nifty. Now there are many other people who have started doing it, but earlier there was not even a single person. And if you understand Nifty, you can earn money every single day. Every single day, you will have enormous amount of money in your portfolio, in your account. So even this is what my trades are today. Already, this is the profit in the sense in the morning. Also, this was even 50,000 rupees. I had about 50,000 rupees here, but it has come down. I have still not exited. So let me discuss out today's trade. How did I trade and what did I trade and why did I traded. I traded today in this, like when the morning range broke. Even before morning range broke, I on my channel, on my Stock Pro Rockers channel, I gave this call, right? I gave this call and I said that on the Rockers you can see here at 9:25 here, 9:25 you can see this time, this you can see 9:25. I asked my members to buy the call. And why? Because I was so very convinced that Nifty plans to go up. I was so very convinced that Nifty is planning to go up, right? And it did nicely went up. It did nicely went up, and it members really had good profits. Of course, it had a lot of fluctuation after that. It's going up and it's coming down. It's going up and down. It's doing that very rapidly, right? And little concern that I have now is that Nifty has made a double top, right? So there are many things that are happening right now. Let me explain you one by one. What are those things? First thing that is happening is that this double top is forming, right? And there is a price rejection over here. You can see this price rejection, right? So this is something happening over here. Now, what could be the possibility? The other thing that is happening is this 10 moving average is about to cross 50 moving average, right? That is also happening. Now, so many things happening together. There could be a possibility of either direction. Market may go in either direction. It may go up, it may go down, right? Is very very crucial. Let's wait and watch. Let's wait and watch what happens. Like if Nifty breaks this support with volumes, then Nifty will go down, right? As it is, the double top is where my concern is. And there are many things that I've seen happening here. It could be head and shoulder. It could be a head and shoulder also, like you can see out here. This could be a head and shoulder also, or this could be a double top as well. Like, can you see here? This could be a double top as well, right? If it breaks, it'll go down further. So there are many possibilities that are happening. So there is and there could be a possibility break like this, right? the 10 moving average. So there are billions, like not billions, but at least 10, 15, 20 possibilities are existing right now. And Nifty is not being able to decide which direction to go. Now, let me give you some pointers. The first point that could be that Nifty either breaks this support, then it will go down, or Nifty has to break this resistance, which is 10,424 with volumes, then Nifty will go up, right? Now, all the patterns are very, very strong, right? Head and shoulder is very strong, even double top is very strong, and this moving average crossover with support is also very strong. Now, whichever direction, I don't know which direction will it break, but whichever direction it will break, it will give a huge momentum in that direction, right? It is definitely going to give a huge momentum in that direction. So let's see, I'm in some profit. I'm not an as good profit as I was in the morning. I was earning good about 50,000, 67,000 till I was even earning till 67,000 rupees, but I couldn't exit because I was teaching. So let's see, like again, there is a support which is being built up. So let's see what is honored, how and what comes up. We really don't know. So I'm just holding my positions very, very tightly. And I'm hoping I'm a bit positive than more negative. I'm more positive. So if you ask me, I'm about 60% positive and 40% negative. But if in case Nifty goes negative, I'll immediately exit my calls and I'm going to be buying put, because even that is going to be very strong indication to me. Why? Because this is forming a double top. So whether Nifty goes up or Nifty goes down, I will have trades in both the direction, and I'm definitely sure I'm going to earn huge profits in both the directions. So this was Nifty. Let's just see its option chain and see how it's changing. So Nifty has a option, newly written contract at 10,400. And where is Nifty right now? 10,396. So as I told you, this juncture, where is Nifty right now, is very, very crucial. And of course, my trade was in VEDL. I've been shouting about VEDL for quite some time, and it looks even today very, very positive to me. To right now, if you ask me, it looks to me heading up, and I believe it should head up. It should give me another few thousands in the profit. Not that I'm counting the profit, but I'm counting technical setup. I'm looking into the technical setup. Okay. So what I'm telling you guys, don't worry about HEG. HEG right now is under pressure. Reason being, it has, it is impacted due to the government policy, right? But see here, there is a huge, huge support. Let it be. Let it go down as much as it's going today. Don't worry about it. In a day, 10 day, 3, 4 day, 5 day, it should be fine. That's what my perception is. Even CUB, we gave it at 170. And see the beautiful. It's just going to have a shot up in the upper direction soon. You just wait and watch. So pretty fine now. Now my trades are doing pretty good. So I'm not worried. So guys, I want to again tell you, we are changing a lot of things, the way how we will be now conducting our webinars and how things will be done. We are changing a lot about it, to consider that you guys are finding it very expensive. We made our intraday only very, very cheap for you. And the combo pack is also we made very cheap. From 65,000, we have brought it down to 42,000 rupees, right? So what I'm telling you, that, and then we ensure that you have got your money back, which is something no one in the space of teaching stock market does. But we are doing it with resolve and determination that you will have to get your money back, right? So why, I don't think so you should have a reason to not do the course. We ensure, no matter what people say, I've almost taught about 700 people till now, and all of them are becoming accomplished traders. Everybody. Like yesterday I showed you, I had a good profit of about 51,000 rupees. Today, this twice I have had since morning 50,000 profit, but I couldn't book because I was in the class. And I believe there's also not a bad profit. I will book it right away. Although had I not been taking class, I would have got a better price. But again, let me just quickly once again analyze Nifty for you. It's right now 144. Now Nifty is bouncing back from the lower levels. If I'm again reiterating myself and I'm again telling you, if Nifty crosses this with volumes, then Nifty definitely is heading up and I will definitely have a profit more than 50,000 rupees. I'm so dead sure about it. Only clause that I have here is that Nifty has to cross in the upward direction this barrier which has come from twice, these candles. It has to cross that with volumes. That's my only and only condition to Nifty. If it happens so, then I'm pretty much sure Nifty will head up, right? So guys, I'm going to be doing something more where you will be able to do some more trades, live trades with me, you know and again on a Saturday I'm surely be having a question and answer with you people. Be ready there, be there, keep watching the Stock Pro channel, and these kind of things happen. Don't worry about the HEG, because I have some stocks here. I'm not exiting it because I bought it on a certain condition, and I'm 100% sure. I have CUB, I have all the stocks that I've given you, I also am holding it. But at the same time, I'm telling you, they will all be fine. They will all just be fine. Right? So right now, I have a mindset on Nifty which is positive. I'm changing my mindset because I said now I will have both the directions in my mind, whether it's up and down, both the directions I will have. So right now, I'm also oscillating right now, positive and negative. So right now, since I'm holding my positions, which are in the buy side, and technically it's looking to me a bit positive, I will be doubly sure when it crosses this barrier with momentum, right? That is what if it does so, trust me, it is going to be a completion of head and shoulder pattern which is forming here, right? And then Nifty will definitely have an upward flight. You'll have to wait and watch. I can't say, but there could be a possibility that Nifty may give us a good profit. All right. This is what I wanted to share. But if you want to learn from me, if you want to understand the market from me, you can definitely contact my team. Go to my website and go to contact us, and you can talk to my team. You can call them up. You can WhatsApp to them. You do whatever, like you have various ways. You can just write an email. You can have chat with them. So you have various options. And guys, I really want you to notice that every day I'm sharing my trades with you every day, and almost every day the trades are all green, right? Every day I'm sharing. Why? Because I want you to get the confidence in my trading, right? And it's not that none of my no other place I will say that this is all pure technical analysis, no emotions at all, just pure technical. If it falls in my technical setup, I will do the trading, otherwise I will not do the trading. I'm that firm about it. I'm not exiting right now. Why? Because I believe that there is still a steam left in Nifty, right? But the only condition is that it should not cross this pivot point, and this should cross this up, this that you see at the top, with a huge volume and momentum. If it has happened that way, Nifty will head up. Otherwise, Nifty will have some kind of more profit booking coming in, right? So this is what I wanted to share, guys. And we just had our second class. If you want to still join my webinar, which is ongoing, you can contact my team and still take this opportunity. And as I'm telling you repeatedly, if you have to invest a lakh, a crore rupees in your learning, please do so. But don't even spend a penny in taking tips, right? Please don't do that. Taking tips will make you have losses only. There's no other way but to lose money when you take tips. All right. With this, I'm signing off, but I'm waiting and hoping that you all take a correct decision about your life, right? And which means to learn about the stock market. Good day. Bye bye. Take care of your health. Take care of your family, and do responsible trades. Don't trade irresponsibly, right? With this, I'm signing off. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.